Good morning, everybody. This is Todd with the Forex Nitty Gritty Insiders daily video. Hope you're having a great day today. First day back from our Christmas break, and hopefully everybody had a great holiday. We're still kind of in a weird mix here where we are in between the Christmas and the New Year's holiday. And so we've got 2 days here before we go into this next, time where the markets are going to be closed and are going to have a hard time, I think, with a lot of movement going on. So what we want to do here is we want to be very careful. We want to be cautious that we don't get too caught in the excitement of trying to get back to trading too early. When the markets may be a little bit more volatile. And you can see what's happening here on the daily charts. And we're just going to kind of scan through these. I'm going to blow this up. And you can see the volatility in these candles where we really have had quite a bit of choppiness here. The market has just really not gone anywhere, and it hasn't been defined really as any one single trend, either up or down. We're just moving sideways and chopping back and forth. What does that mean? Well, that simply means that we need to take some time to evaluate enough to make sure that we're not sitting in or taking trades when we shouldn't be. And right now, probably not the best time to do it. But you can see if we put on here a moving average, let's do just a 40 period simple moving average. The trend has been up overall. As we scroll out on this, you can see that we're still kind of sitting back in these highs from the first of last year. And so we'll see if we have some breakout opportunities. But right now, pretty choppy. And even though we are bullish, we anticipate maybe seeing a little bit of a pullback here. So that's a euro dollar. Aussie dollar had such a nice smooth run up here to these areas of resistance, and now we've seen it pull back. We'll see if we can't find some type of opportunity to get into this as it begins to bounce back up from here. I'm not sure when that could happen, but it's maybe building a base here to look for a little bit of a bounce up. So nice down move. Last 3 days here, it's been pretty flat, as would be anticipated. Same thing with the U.S. Swiss franc with the holiday. The pound dollar, again, last 3 or 4 days here this week have been pretty flat. U.S. Japanese yen has been the one that has really taken off, up 100 plus pips on over the last couple of days. So the holiday really hasn't affected that. And last but not least, the U.S. CAD. You can see that it's kind of moving sideways. So, again, with the markets the way that they are right now, we never know what is going to happen or when a breakout is going to occur. We do know that things get to be a little bit choppy this time of the year, and especially with being right in between New Year's and Christmas, that things are going to look like that. Now, as we start to come out of that, we're going to start to see the markets move in a little bit more deliberate fashion, which is, what we would ideally like to see. But until it does, we don't want to force the issues or push the issues. We want to make sure that we are trading the way that we're supposed to by following our rules. Now, the simple trading method, as you know, looks at the trend, waits for a pullback to a support or a resistance, depending upon up or downtrend, and then looks to enter into it as it begins to move above or below the highest high or lowest low of the last three. So that's what we're looking for, we're waiting for, and as soon as we get that those setups in the nice trend, deliberate trend, we're going to be looking to trade again. This is a good time of the year to review what you're doing, make sure that you're understanding your rules for trading, and then making any adjustments necessary to those trades. So with that, we will wrap it up for today. We'll be back tomorrow, and we'll take a look at how the week ends and in preparation for the upcoming week. So until then, have a great rest of the day, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.